This is BBSM Academy. Welcome to Botany classes. Flowering plants. What is taxonomy? In the case of digital asset management system, its purpose is to organize, classify and identify digital assets. It forms part of the metadata analysis and is an essential building block to definite and describe a digital asset. That is taxonomy. The plants are classified into the flowering and non-flowering plants, and the flowering are further classification as follows, and the non-flowering as follows. Plant taxonomy. Plant taxonomy is the science that finds, identifies, describes, classifies, and names plants, thus making it one of the main branches of taxonomy. The science that finds, describes, classifies, and names living things. Plant taxonomy is closely allied to plant systematic, and there is no sharp boundary between the two. You know, friends, botany is a branch of biology. Plant scientists or plant biology. A botanist or plant scientist is a scientist who specializes in this field of study. The term botany comes from the ancient Greek word botany, meaning pasture or grass or fodder, derived from boskin, to feed or to graze. This is the ancient scientist Theophrastus, a Greek native of the Eros and Lesbos. He was the early taxonomist. His first De Historia Plantarum is the first written literature about plants. He is often considered the father of botany, my dear friends, for his works on plants. After his death, the Athenians honored him with a public funeral. His successor as head of the school was Strato of Lampsacus. Plant classification, vascular and non-vascular. This is a botanist experimental field. Vascular plants, known as tracheophytes, and also as higher plants, form a large group of plants. They also have a specialized non-lignified tissue to conduct products of photosynthesis. So, non-vascular plants. Non-vascular plants are the plants without vascular system, consisting of xylem and phloem. In botany, monocotyledon means one seed leaf and dicotyledon means two seed leaf. This is monocot seeds include Greek onion, corn, rice, wheat, then asparagus, lilies and orchids. Monocotyledon, one seed leaf. Monocots. This is dicots, bean seed and its germination. Very, very important germination of bean seed. Coming to the fruits, or the means by which the angiosperms disseminate seeds. Reproduction in plants, that is in flowering plants particularly, pollinated and fertilized. Fruit is the seed-bearing structure in flowering plants formed from the ovary after flowering. Example, apple, tomatoes, cherries, etc. This is a tomato structure, fruit structure of tomato. Angiosperms, fruit development and seed dispersal. Flowering plant anatomy: leaf, fruit, flower and stem. Shoot system: below the ground is root system. Life cycles of deciduous tree, starting from the flower, embryo, stigma, fruit, seed inside, and it germinates and it grows and it becomes a plant or a tree. Gymnosperm refers to the exposed nature of seeds. Angiosperm seeds are in a vessel. These are the fruits. So, well friends, we will study the botany in the next forthcoming classes.